guys, guess what? Oh my god, this felt so surreal. Like, I'm not living alone. Well, I know I look a bit raggedy. I've not been sleeping well, but you know what? A day at a time, a step at a time. So this is probably my my empty house tour. Okay, is this even a house? Oh yeah, it is. I'm not downgrading or downplaying any of my achievements. It may be small, but it's something, you know. Yeah, so is this me coming back to YouTube? Maybe. Yeah, okay. So welcome back to my video, to my YouTube channel. Can't wait to be with you on this journey. Gosh, I think you can tell how nervous I am, how anxious I am. Yeah, so I'm here to clean this place up, and let's start with that haul, by the way. And things are hella expensive. Oh god, you mean these things normally like are this expensive? Oh my god, adulthood is kicking in. Ooh. Let's see. So we start with this. I got this huge 2-liter Star Soft. Okay, normally I get the Downy, but since the Downy is a bit expensive, I went for this. It's a 2-liter Star Soft and it really smells so amazing. Then I got this Sufficient Disinfectant Pine Fresh. What intrigued me about this is that it cleans the sinks, bathtub, manifesting, the toilet, and a dining table. The next thing I got is this 4-pack of Sky Bright. Yep, there's that. Then the next thing is this Sunlight. I got it because of this. I had taken the parcel one before, but I saw this promo and I was like, you know what, you're saving on coins, sis. The next thing I got is this Astonish Citrus Burst Floor Cleaner. And you know, Astonish products are the real deal. It's 1 liter, and I'm going to put the prices on the description box. And now this Ushindi Plus, this one is going to be for my, you know, utensils and all of that good stuff. Imagine guys, all these things cost about 2k. Yaaanii. Anyway, we move. Okay, so I think we should do the house tour before I clean up, because I feel I might get a bit tired. So basically this is the door. You enter from here. Then the first thing on your left knee, this double sink. Like guys, come on, tell me this is not a steal. Okay, these are just my things everywhere. This double sink, this modern tap, then I don't know what the hell is this, but come on. Okay, anyway, you win some, you lose some. Then the cabinet tree, it is really cute. We have that. We have this. We have also the ones here, over here, down. Yaaanii, you guys imagine, for the kitchen, hapo niliangukia, hapo napo niliangukia. Then there's this place. You see how clean it is? Very clean. I have to ensure that this place is not leaking before I move in. And then after that, so this is the whole room. Okay, probably the lighting on this side is not as best, but now this at the socket for the cooker, where my cooker is going to be, most probably. A mini fridge. Then yeah, so that is the room. And then the loo. Yeah, the lighting is not the best, but this place is really cute. Okay, apart from this decorative thing, Yaaanii, I don't know what the hell this is. A place where I'm going to place my soap, but I'm going to work on this bathroom. I don't think it can fit all of my things, and I don't like placing things over here, but for now that will do. And then sink over here, mirror, there's me, shower, and then you guys, do you wanna see? Do you wanna see? Ta-da! Pink toilets. Yani, even the color is not really transferring well, but pink. And then probably they lacked the pink cover. They had to go with the white one. And then the seat is also okay. The bowl is pink. Yeah. Okay. It's not that big, but it can do. In person, it's really a cute little bathroom that when you work on it, you're going to get like some awesome results. And then you guys, apart from the kitchen, this is now another favorite. We have the balcony. It's really huge, and then it's super dirty and dusty. Yeah, from there, so I can do my laundry over here, and then I can chill over here. I can hang my clothes over here. Yeah, so
2,000 years later.
I begin to
guys, that's basically it from my little house. Oh wait, my crib. And I can't wait to show you after I have done some ish, after I brought the Steffi in this place. What else? Yeah, well, there are several videos that I've planned on doing. I really hope I get to do them. Aki, dear Lord. You know what, you guys? Yeah, so that's it. Kindly subscribe, like this video, comment, share, and let's do this journey with you guys. Yeah, bye bye.